From design to day-to-day operations, DME delivers the solutions you need to grow your bottom line, including custom products and instant CAD models of European standards and product series. Here's how to use the Dme Mold Configurator. From the home page, click Configurator in the menu bar. If you're not already in the European catalog, click Configurator, and then choose the European Configurator. Now, select either mold-based series. Use the drop-down options to configure your product to match your design specs. The configurator will update your design on the fly, while the center drawing highlights the part as you hover over or adjust the different components. If you're happy with your product, you can begin the checkout process here. For now, let's download a free CAD model. In this window, you see a 3D preview of your configured product, which you can move and zoom to view in up-close detail. Click on the CAD Download tab, and then click Generate CAD. Click Add Formats. Here you can choose from over 150 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works natively in your CAD software. You can also download a 3D PDF datasheet, which includes a 3D preview, product specs, and a bill of materials for your product. Next, click Start Generation. Once the file has loaded, click Download. For more CAD models and molding solutions, visit dmeeu.com and check out partsolutions.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.